Electric scooters have become a popular mode of transportation for many adults, but if you weigh over 300 pounds, finding the right scooter can be challenging. In this comprehensive guide for beginners, we will discuss the top electric scooters for adults 300 pounds and provide tips for making the right choice for your needs. When it comes to electric scooters for heavier adults, there are a few key factors to consider, such as weight capacity, motor power, and range. Here are the top recommended electric scooters for adults 300 pounds. List of scooters with brief descriptions. Choosing the right electric scooter for your needs will depend on a variety of factors, including your budget, intended use, and personal preferences. In this scene, we will discuss the most important factors to consider when making your choice. Electric scooters can range from a few hundred to a few $1,000s, so it's important to determine your budget before making a purchase. Keep in mind that higher-priced scooters may have more features and better quality components. Consider how you plan to use the electric scooter. Will you be using it for commuting, leisurely rides, or off-road adventures? Different types of scooters are designed for different uses. Personal preferences such as design, color, and brand may also play a role in your decision-making process. It's important to find an electric scooter that you feel comfortable and confident using. We hope that this comprehensive guide has helped you understand the important factors to consider when choosing an electric scooter for adults 300 pounds. With the right scooter for your needs, you can enjoy the freedom and convenience of electric transportation with ease.